Hello guys and welcome to a new video of Fly Crash Build and Repeat. Sorry I haven't been uploading anything the last few months, but I'm back right now with a new video about battery plugs. As you can also probably see is that these are not the standard motors you get when you buy this model or the standard ESCs, because this one is a 3DR motor and this one is an Opera ESC, and a lot of things have changed on this model and I'll look into them one by one. And the first one is actually the battery plug. As you can see, this is not a banana plug like this. These are the standard you get when you buy this model. These plugs are actually not really good. These provide like a little spark when you connect them, and that spark can cause a fire. And I already had that once before, as you can see right here. That's because one of my ESCs caught fire when I was plugging my battery in with these banana plugs. I don't know if you can see it, but that one caught fire. So you really want to change it to an XT60. You can get them like for the box on Banggood or something. Basically what you need to solder your battery plugs is solder, XT60 plug, some tools, heat shrink, and yeah, I'm using a lighter to get my heat shrink around my cable, but you can also use a heat shrink heater. It's a bit more professional and better, but it's doable with a lighter. So yeah, never ever cut through the two wires at once. That will cause a short circuit. Wow. And your battery might explode then. So never ever do that. Stay with one wire. After you did that, just take your drone and look at how the wires are located at your XT60 in your drone, and just look where the black and where the red wire should come. And if you check that, that's black one, okay, you can start soldering. Also, if you cut through it, there will be like little wires coming out, and to get it like in one single wire, just spin it, and that's a little trick, and it becomes like one solid wire. See? Put the heat shrink over it, and then what one? Yeah, okay, that was the black one. And then start soldering. First, a little bit solder on the wire itself. There you go. Then just let it like cool down, because the wire gets quite hot. Yeah, it's quite hot. Just let it cool down. And while it's cooling down, you can start putting some solder in the upper thing. See? You should put it right there. So here we go. Maybe a little bit more. Like that. Yeah, you can see it. There's a bit solder in it. And just let it cool down, both of them, because it gets quite hot. So just wait a minute. cool down. So what you should do right now is to heat this up, the solder in it, and just slide your cable in it. And then everything should be fine. So I'm gonna do that right now. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Hope y'all can see it. There you go. That's done. It's pretty hot again. So just let it cool down. Maybe make it a bit better. Go. Let it cool down again. So what you should do right now is, as you can see, there is like a little bit of space around the hole where the thing comes out, and that basically is for your heat shrink to go in. See? And that's really nice. You really want to do that. It's pretty good. I don't know if you can see it. So that's done. So what I did is just the same thing as the black wire before, and this is how it looks right now. I didn't want to bother you by doing it again. Maybe this one needs more. Okay, so that's how it looks. It's pretty good, and let's try it out. There you go. It works perfectly. That's the buzzer. So everything works pretty nice. So that was it, guys, for this video. I'll be making some more in a couple of weeks, maybe next week, about the mission planner, about the powertrain mod, stuff like that. So there is a lot of things coming, and you definitely don't want to miss those videos. But that's it for the battery mod you could do. And thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.